Hello and welcome to English Audio Lab. I'm Trevor.
And I'm Alicia. We're so glad you're here to learn with us today.
Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic, safety. We will learn simple English phrases to talk about being safe, to give warnings, and to help others.
That sounds really useful, Trevor. Sometimes you want to tell someone to be careful, but you don't know the right words.
Exactly. And knowing these phrases can help you and the people you care about stay safe. So let's begin.
This reminds me of something that happened last week. I was cooking dinner and I almost touched a very hot pan.
Oh no, what happened?
Well, my friend was in the kitchen with me and she shouted, "Watch out, it's hot."
Watch out. That's a great example. She warned you about an immediate danger.
Yes, exactly. I pulled my hand back just in time. I was very thankful. A simple phrase like that really helped me avoid getting burned.
It's a perfect story to start our lesson. It shows how just two words can make a big difference. Let's explore some of these helpful phrases. First, let's talk about general ways to wish someone well and remind them to be safe. A very common and friendly phrase is stay safe.
Stay safe. I hear that a lot. People say it when they say goodbye, right?
Yes, it's a warm way to show you care. Another one is be careful. This is a little more direct. You say it when there might be a small risk. For example, if it's raining outside, you might say, be careful, the roads are wet.
Oh, okay. So stay safe is general, like goodbye, but be careful is for a specific situation.
That's a great way to think about it. Now, for more urgent situations, like your story, we use phrases like watch out or look out. These mean there's a danger right now, and you need to react quickly.
So if a ball is flying towards someone's head, I should yell, "Watch out."
Perfect, you've got it. Another important area is safety at home. We often say, lock the door. This is a simple instruction to make sure your home is secure.
And what about when someone is at the door? What if you don't know them?
Good question. You can ask, who is it, through the closed door. It is always a good idea to check before you open the door.
That makes sense. Who is it? Simple and clear.
Finally, let's talk about traffic safety. When you are about to cross a street, we always say, look both ways. This means to look left and look right before you cross.
Right. Look both ways. I learned that as a child. It's important everywhere in the world.
Now, let's practice these phrases in some short dialogues. This will help you hear how they are used in real life. Leisha, are you ready to role play with me?
I am. This is my favorite part.
Great, let's start. Dialogue 1. Leaving a friend's house at night. I will be the friend saying goodbye. You are leaving.
Okay, I'm ready. Thanks for a lovely evening, Trevor. I'm going to head home now.
Okay, it's late, so please be careful on your way home.
I will. Thank you.
Text me when you get there so I know you arrived safely.
Of course. Good night.
Good night, stay safe. In that dialogue, you heard be careful and stay safe. Both are very natural ways to show you care about your friend's well being.
Yes, and asking to text me when you get there is also a really common thing friends say to each other.
It is. Now, for dialogue 2, crossing a busy street. This time, I will be a parent, and Alicia, you can be the child.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, we need to cross the street here. Hold my hand.
Okay, can we go now?
Not yet. First, we need to look both ways. Look to the left. Now look to the right. Is it clear?
Yes, no cars are coming.
Okay, let's go. Oh, look out. A bicycle is coming fast.
Whoa, that was close.
It was. That's why we always have to be aware of our surroundings.
In that dialogue, we heard look both ways as a rule for crossing the street, and Trevor used look out for a sudden, unexpected danger.
That's right. It shows the difference between a general instruction and an urgent warning. Now let's move on to our repetition practice. This is where we help you really learn these sentences. I will say a sentence slowly, and then Alicia will say it at a more natural speed. Listen carefully to the pronunciation and rhythm.
And after I say it, you can pause the audio and try saying it yourself. Repeating out loud is a fantastic way to improve your speaking.
First sentence. Please be careful on Your way home.
Please
Be
be
careful.
careful on your way home.
Great. Another way to say this is take care getting home. Now let's try the next one. Don't forget to lock the door.
Don't forget to lock the door.
Excellent. You could also say make sure the door's locked. Let's do a warning now. Watch out for that broken glass.
Watch out for that broken glass.
Very good. A similar phrase is be careful, there's broken glass. Last one. Always look both ways before you cross.
Always look both ways before you cross.
Wonderful. Another way to express this is check for traffic before you cross a street.
That repetition really helps. Hearing the sentences slowly and then naturally makes them easier to remember.
Now it's your turn to practice speaking. We are going to give you a situation. We'll pause for a few seconds for you to think of what you would say in English. Then Alicia will give a possible answer.
Don't worry about getting it perfect. The goal is just to try. Ready?
Okay, situation 1. Your friend is using a knife to cut vegetables, but they're not paying attention. What would you say to warn them?
I might say, be careful with that knife, or watch your fingers.
Excellent answers. Here's situation 2. You see a small child running towards a busy road. What would you shout?
For that, I'd yell something loud and urgent, like stop or look out.
Perfect. A short, strong warning is best there. Last one. Situation 3. Your family member is leaving for a long trip. What is a nice thing to say when they leave?
I would say something warm, like have a wonderful trip and stay safe.
That's a lovely thing to say. Great job with that practice, everyone. Speaking takes courage, and you are doing wonderfully. Now, let's expand our knowledge to cover a few more specific areas, starting with a very serious but important one, what to do in an emergency.
This is such a critical topic. In a high stress situation, your mind can go blank. Knowing the right phrases automatically can be life saving.
We've learned so much today. We started by talking about general safety phrases like stay safe and be careful.
And we learned more urgent warnings like watch out for when danger is very close.
Then we practiced these phrases in different situations, from saying goodbye to a friend to crossing the street safely.
And we practiced repeating the sentences to help us remember the sound and rhythm. That was really helpful for me.
The most important thing to remember is that these phrases are here to help. Using them shows that you care about others, and it helps you navigate the world more confidently.
It's true. Knowing even a few simple safety phrases can make a big difference in your daily life. It helps you feel more prepared.
You have done an amazing job today. Learning a new language is a journey, and every single step you take is a success.
Yes, don't be afraid to use these phrases. People will appreciate that you are looking out for them. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep building your confidence.
Thank you for joining us at English Audio Lab. We hope to see you again next time. Until then, take care.
And stay safe. Bye for now.